ask me to dance, I'll stand you.
As the boys slipped ever more deeply into their drinking trousers, I hit Denmark and started to feel weary.
Apparently, if you drive after you've been awake for 18 hours, your concentration levels are around the same as someone who's hovering around the drink-drive limit. And if you drive after you've been awake for 24 hours, your concentration levels are about the same as someone who's had half a bottle of scotch.
British sovereign territory has been invaded by a foreign power.
It is very late now, but I've got everything a man needs to stay awake. Pro Plus, energy drink, coffee, Mrs. Thatcher, and 626 brake horsepower.
And none of it was working.
Times like this, desperate measures are called for, so what I like to do is reach for my packet of spunk. Oh yeah. Oh, now I'm ready. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't like spunk. Onwards!